Lynn Official, shout out!
Dito ako sa market. Dito market. Ito yung ang laki-laki na cabbage, guys. Tignan nyo. Hindi ko mabili ito. Ang laki. Ang laki, oh. Hindi ko mabili. Dito ako ngayon sa wet market. Kapatid Pelmax. Ito. Daming gulay. Sis, I'm done. You can calculate with me. Where's the other one? Where's my other basket? Yeah, I'm done. Ayan guys, nandito ako sa wet market. Ayan. Ang mga paninda nila. So, yung papaya nila, ayan. Hindi ako nakabili ng French beans kasi ang papangit at lalambot. Hindi maganda, doon ako sa NTC. Ayan ang mangga na maasim. Can you give me spring onion and coriander? Ito yung paborito ko na pusit, guys. Ito yung sea bass na sinasabi ko. Yan ang prawns. Yan. Yung $66 tong mga ano nila na to. Yun ang hindi $6. Yung bawat ano nila, $6. So parang gusto ko ito, guys. Pusit. Bihira lang ako makakita pero ang liliit. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga sa seafood. Pusit and prawns. So, ayan. Kukuha ako. Yan, kukunin ko yung ano. Yung dalawa. Yan yung ano. Yun yung tingi-tingi nila. Andito ako sa market. Uncle, can I have this? Can I have this? The small sotong. Can I have? Wait, I see. Andito ako sa port. Ang crowded. Yan guys. Labas na ako. Just ay, ang cute nung bag. Ang cute nito. Pero wala naman pera. Kung ano-anong nakikita ko mo na pinagkakagastusan. Punta na ako ng NTUC. Ayan kapatid, Pelmax, ang daming vegetable dito, kangkong. Yan ang kangkong. Ayan ang daming vegetable dyan. Halika na dito mamili ng mga vegetable. Mura lang dito. $1 yung spinach. Di ako nakakuha ng spinach ng amo ko sa market kasi hindi maganda yung spinach nila sa wet market. So, dito ako mamili. Yan. Ang spinach. Saan na yung ano ko? Diyan ang mga itlog. Ito naman, napakamahal itong white radish, $2.30. Pero, need kong kumuha yan para sa soup ni Ma'am. At yung French bean, $2.52 din. Ang mahal ng mga gulay ngayon, guys. Dati, $1 something lang. Ayun, no. Ang pangit ka din sa market kanina, puro soap na. Tapos, ito, $2.50. Mabuti rin yan para alam ng amo ko ang presyo ba. Pasar fencing dun. Ayan. Para alam niya ang presyo. French beans. Ito kasi yung mga vegetable niya, guys. Ginigisa-gisa ko lang sa garlic. So, kailangan ko rin bumili. Kasi nga, ibang presyo yung sa kanina. Dalawang klase yung kangkong, pero parang gusto ko magsigang ng bangus kasi may binili akong bangus na dalawa na malalaki sa wet market. And ibinili ko binigyan ako ng hampaw yung soki ko sa market ng mga gulay ng $10. Which is binili ko ng dalawang bangus na malalaki. Kasi food ko na yan for 1 week ba. Darating ng amo ko. Wala lang naman akong makakain. So, isda is okay lang sa kanya. Parang gusto ko magsigang ng bangus, guys. Kuha na lang ako ng kangkong pangsigang ko. So, ayan lang, guys. Kasi ang talong, hindi na muna ako kukuha ng talong. Baka hindi magkasya yung pera. Hindi magkasya yung pera ko. Dito na lang muna, guys. Ito ang kiwi. Ay, matigas naman. Don't have the ready for eating already. It's all very hard. That's it. Yeah, no, that one is very hard. For ready to eat now.
I check for you.
Ayan. That's my friend.
Who you want?
No, wait, don't hold. Cannot see. No, I'm just video, then they will see.
Oh,
They will see. Yeah.
and see me also.
Yeah, you're the one to see you. You're very pretty.
No pretty na.
I say, oh, this is my very, very nice, very long friend already.
Yeah.
Oh. How long, right?
So long. 15 years here.
Yeah, I see you here so long already.
Yeah.
Na I working this is 20 years already. So I so long
15
see you.
years.
I so long see you. This is a very good friend of mine. Yeah.
High five.
That's a very
50
good.
years friend.
Yeah.
You are 20 years here.
Yeah. No, this
Working here.
my work my mom.
Then
I
you
working
shopping
here. Yeah.
Shopping here? Or
20 years already.
20 years you did shopping here.
Last time.
You are all customer.
Last time my first employers in Spottiswood in near People's Park. 8 years there.
Oh.
So my second employer this one. So I working here for 20 years.
So nearby here.
Yeah. Near the
Block 50.
no near Malaysia Embassy.
Oh.
Spottiswood. Is the boys Road. You see, very nice talking to me. Yeah. NTUC near the market here. What? Don't have sis? And all the fruits is there. But same price.
This one organic.
Oh no, I didn't take organic because very expensive. This one is the ready for eating now, guys.
Your friend from Philippines.
Yeah.
You take for her.
Yeah. And even so, my daughter will see. Oh, strawberry have. This from Korea, right?
Yeah. Very sweet.
If Korea very sweet, I
This
know.
Crackly. Green one.
But it's organic, no?
No.
How much the price?
For Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Cannot?
Ready to eat now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the kiwi, guys.
Yeah.
From where this one?
This one from
From Italy or not?
China.
I know my mom don't want China.
Huh?
My mom don't want China. So sorry. She's very fussy about the fruits.
From China.
Yeah, he doesn't want from China product.
Oh.
Yeah, so sorry.
No problem.
Because how many times she telling me that I don't buy China product fruits. A lot chemical he said. Do you understand, right? Because she is a Chinese.
She's Chinese.
Yeah.
Chinese Singaporean.
PR only. She is from Malaysia.
Malaysian people.
But is so long already since university she is here already.
PR. Not yet Singaporean.
No, because they moving in Australia. The son and the husband is staying in Australia already for 17 years.
Then why did she?
Because of the mother that I take care. That's why she working here until the mother maybe go. Then she moving there. Yeah. So she's 95 years old already.
Oh.
This one how much?
The mother 95 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
How much this one?
For 695 or 2.
From where?
This one
Product
is
is South Africa. Is sweet or not?
I'm not sure.
Can taste one.
Don't get like anybody sweet. I no problem, you know.
Can taste one. But no CCTV. But I want to see if sweet or not. Can you take one and see? You taste?
No. I cannot taste. Yummy.
It's good to her. He like one.
2.
How much?
One is 495. You buy 2, 695.
Oh,
Good
okay.
deal. You can
Okay.
keep it for a few days. Huh? You put in the fridge, huh?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that one we take just now. So be careful.
Thank you, my
Thank you,
friend.
my friend. Yes, say
You're welcome.
bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. This is my friend. Very long here in NTUC, guys, and she's very good friend of mine. Like this one. And guys, so I'm here in NTUC. Go marketing. You see all the fruit, all that. This is for the salad, guys, here in Singapore. Like this one. And all this one is fruits from Korea, the strawberry, and that one is from South Africa. Then I don't know from where the blueberry.
Blueberry from Peru.
Oh, from Peru.
Peru.
You say my very good friend. That's one. This one, one day I teaching her how to make YouTube, so can earn money also. Yeah.
Peru. Yeah.
Oh, I never see the gold. The gold.
Rock melon from Vietnam.
I I never see the gold kiwi. I see the green one.
You want gold kiwi or green?
I take the gold one.
The right one, huh?
Yeah, because this one is not good. Choose another one, sis.
I choose for you.
Oh, you see? He choose for me one. That one is not so far.
Okay.
Oh, I can this one.
Can.
Yeah, thank you
Just
so
nice.
much. Yeah.
Welcome.
You want to
Just
see her in the YouTube. She's a very good. She's a Singaporean, guys. You're from Malaysia or Singapore?
I'm Singaporean.
Oh, she's from Singaporean. Ayan, no. See, he say he love you. He signed the love heart. Ayan. Yan po yung mga tomato cherry, the small one. Yung mga small, yun naman yung sweet corn is from Thailand, I think that one. Ayan, dito ako ngayon sa mga mushroom. Ayan. So, malawak ito sa pinagmamarketan ko, guys. Ay NTUC dito sa mga mura-mura. Meron din NTUC na malapit sa amin. Yun po ay class para sa mga mayayaman. So, ayan. Say bye-bye, darling.
Bye-bye, darling. I love you.
I love you too. Sayang. Salamat, mga friend.
Salamat.
Terima kasih.
Yeah, terima kasih. Salamat.
Salamat.
Filipino say Tagalog.
Tagalog, salamat.
Tagalog, salamat.
Ayan, in Malaysia is terima kasih. Indonesia, terima kasih also. Oh, yeah.
English, thank you.
Yeah.
Right?
And Chinese, seshini.
Sheshe.
Sheshe man, like that.
Japanese, arigato gozaimasu.
Oh, the Japanese thank you is arigato gozaimasu.
Yeah. Kamsahamnida for Korean.
Oh, okay.
Dankeschön is Germany.
Okay.
Dankeschön.
Oh,
Merci, France.
okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.